Okay, go.
What? Oh, presents are gone.
Hey,
What?
where's all the presents?
Can be.
No presents, I guess, this year. Maybe Grandma has presents
Look,
for you.
he's on the nice list. How come he didn't get any gift?
I think someone came into our house. Somebody didn't lock the back door.
Did you lock the back door last night when we came back from the birthday party?
Yeah.
Oh, no. I'm trying.
What?
Oh, Dad, I see footprints in the back.
What? Yes, let's go see. Come on. Okay, Dad, let's go see. Come on.
Okay, come on.
Yeah, and Auntie Brittany's watching also.
Hey, Titan, pick the next one.
Which one, Titan? Which one?
Titan,
That
go
one?
pick your
That
gift.
Go
one?
right here. Pick one over here. That one? That one's Titan's.
Huh?
That one's yours.
Open it. Open it.
Okay,
Open it.
sit. Relax.
I'm next in line.
You're not next in line. There's no lineup.
There.
Titan's gonna pick the presents.
What is it?
No, just let him.
Stop.
What is it?
Stop.
What?
Stop.
This way, Titan. What?
Mr. Potato Head.
Mr. Potato Head.
Okay, you got it.
Aww. Let me see.
He's still ripping
Titan.
it. It's still open.
Yeah, I know.
Open right here.
Let me see, Titan.
Show Mommy.
Mr. Potato Head.
Can I
Mommy.
see? Titan, can I see? This way.
Show Mommy.
It's a potato head. Aww. Oops. You
Okay,
like
which
it?
one is next?
Do you like it?
Titan.
Yeah.
Here, you want to cross your legs?
I want to sit on my knees.
But if you sit on your knees, then you're going to be getting up. So it's better to cross your legs. Yeah.
I'm
Remember,
crossing
patient.
my legs.
Now whose turn?
Sleeping snakes.
Whose turn?
Okay, Titan, pick
Can
another
mommy
gift.
pick one for Tatai?
Okay, let the baby.